That's one hot loaf of bread. Awful good. Hot enough. Hey Chuck, how you like that, buddy? Plain old Chuck. He was cooking in a Dutch oven this week, and he was cooking jambalaya. He said he was at the end of it. A little bit of pepper. A little bit of salt. I can see that sandwich ain't nearly filled up enough. There we go. A little bit of cheese. How's that, Paul? That putting your bread to good use? As I was cutting firewood today, I come across this tree, and I just wanted to show it to you. This tree, what happened to it, has been damaged by another tree rubbing on it. It's a spruce tree, but because of all that rubbing, look at the sap that is built up. This is just loads of it. I mean, this is 2.5 to 3 feet long. This is all sap down through here. This is a great fire starter. Same thing on this one. And this one here, it's been damaged on both sides. See right in here? It's just loads and loads and loads of sap. So this tree I'm going to leave out here at the lean-to, because this is a great fire starter tree. So I will take a small piece off. See that? Unbelievable. So much. That wooden sap right here. Now I don't know what the rest of you are doing during this self-isolation. But this right here, this is working out quite nicely. Now, I'm not going to sit here and make you watch me eat this whole sandwich. Clouding in. Not supposed to rain anymore. Boy, been pretty nasty. I got a nice hot fire going. I got to make another loaf of bread to bring back to the cabin with me. I've only got a quarter of a loaf back there for tomorrow. And tomorrow, I'm planning on going squirrel hunting if the sun will come out. Them squirrels been laid up for 3 days because of all this rain, and I haven't seen a squirrel yet today. So I'm thinking when that sun comes out, these woods are going to be humming with squirrels. I'm going to try to get 4. That's enough to put in my Dutch oven with some baked potatoes and some carrots and onions. We'll see. Come out here, get another hot fire going with a Dutch oven. Let them squirrels simmer for several hours until they fall off the bone. Hey, I'm going to enjoy my sandwich. I hope you guys are liking spending time here at the lean-to, and subscribe to my channel if you like it. I'm really trying to grow the channel. Leave some comments. I answer all of my comments. So, I'll see you later on. At the end of this video, I'll put you in some links to more topics about the great state of Maine. There'll be 3 of them. I also have a round circle back there. I'm standing next to a bear. Click that bear if you'd like to subscribe to my channel. Looking forward to meeting you, and come along with me to the state of Maine.